Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll be exploring at something truly out of this world, the Metaverse, where virtuality meets reality. So buckle up as we explore what this Metaverse has to offer. The Metaspace Force is an innovative metaverse based on the Polygon chain. It integrates gaming, social networking, and virtual reality, offering users a unique platform to engage in NFT trading and create business communities. This ecosystem aims for efficient scaling and easy integration, catering to a broad user base. One of the coolest features is the ability to own and trade virtual planets and spaceships, each backed by a secure blockchain. Whether you are looking to explore new galaxies or engage in epic space battles, Metaspace Force has something for everyone. Beyond the game, there is a vibrant community of players. The platform supports a thriving market where you can earn real rewards and enhance your gameplay. It's not just about playing, it's about growing and profiting with the Metaverse ecosystem. Getting started is easy. You just need a device, a crypto wallet like MetaMask, some Matic for transaction fees, and a minimum of 5 DAI. Once set, you can dive in and start exploring or earning in this expansive universe. So guys, if you're impressed by the thought of merging gaming with crypto, then please check out the Metaverse. I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.